South Korea is on the verge of a historic milestone in defense exports, as it nears the finalization of an agreement to supply Vietnam with 20 K9 Thunder self-propelled howitzers, valued at $300 million. This deal, expected to be signed in the coming months, marks South Korea's first arms export to Vietnam and represents a significant step in its push to expand its presence in the Southeast Asian defense market. The K9 Thunder, developed by Hanoi Aerospace, is considered one of the most advanced artillery systems globally. Featuring a 155 mm/52 caliber gun, it can strike targets up to 60 kilometers away, making it ideal for long-range bombardment and rapid response missions. Vietnam's interest in the K9 comes as the country seeks to modernize its military, replacing outdated Soviet-era systems and Chinese rocket launchers. What makes the K9 Thunder truly formidable is its combination of firepower, protection, and mobility. With a welded steel chassis capable of withstanding 152 mm shell fragments and small arms fire, the K9 is powered by a 1,000 horsepower diesel engine, allowing it to reach speeds of 67 km per hour and a range of 360 km. It also features advanced suspension for improved mobility across difficult terrain and modern systems like CBRN protection and automatic fire control. Vietnam's decision to acquire the K9 is not only about upgrading its artillery, it's also part of a broader strategic shift. Historically reliant on Russian arms, Vietnam is diversifying its defense procurement sources due to sanctions on Russia and the aging of its military equipment. By turning to South Korea, Vietnam aims to strengthen its land-based defenses amid growing tensions with China, particularly over territorial disputes in the South China Sea. This potential deal is the result of growing defense cooperation between South Korea and Vietnam. High-level meetings, such as the visit of Vietnamese Defense Minister Phan Van Giang to South Korea in 2023, have paved the way for deeper collaboration. If the deal goes through, Vietnam will become the 11th country to operate the K9, joining nations like Australia, Poland, and India. For South Korea, the deal represents a significant strategic and commercial achievement. With over 1,400 K9 units already delivered or under contract worldwide, the system has become a cornerstone of Seoul's defense industry. South Korea's ability to offer technology transfers and localized production options makes it a competitive player in the global arms market. Beyond the battlefield, this deal strengthens the diplomatic and security ties between South Korea and Vietnam. Both countries have been working closely in recent years to enhance their military cooperation, especially in areas like maritime security, peacekeeping, and regional stability. In fact, the two countries have already established a comprehensive strategic partnership, which has led to numerous bilateral exchanges and joint initiatives. In conclusion, the agreement to supply Vietnam with K9 Thunder howitzers is more than just a defense contract. It's a symbol of the growing strategic alignment between South Korea and Vietnam. For Vietnam, it's a leap forward in modernizing its military and reducing its reliance on outdated equipment. For South Korea, it's an opportunity to solidify its place as a leading global defense supplier and deepen its influence in a region of increasing geopolitical importance.